How to block websites on Chrome Android. So if you want to block websites on your Chrome Android, then what you need to do is open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with my.nextdns.io, and it might ask you to sign up or log in. You just need to simply go and sign up or log in. Once you're here, now you need to go with the security section, or you can just simply swipe again, and here you will find an option of deny list. Tap on deny list and then add a domain. Like for example, I'll go with facebook.com. Once you've added facebook.com, now if you refresh your page, then the facebook.com has been added, right? Now if you go with the next tab or a new tab, and if you try to open facebook.com, then you won't be able to open up your Facebook. So in this way, you'll be able to block websites on your Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.